This is the absolutely beautiful pocket box puzzle box. It'll take you from nighttime to daytime at a moment's notice. To get the pocket box puzzle for yourself, go check out the link in our description. One of the first things that you notice on this puzzle box are all of the moons and suns around the outside of the box. If you also look at this top moon here, you can actually spin it and it freely spins on the top of the puzzle box. But this free spinning moon will not help you with a solve. It is actually there to trick you. When pushing these pieces, you can see that moon ever so slightly move. Just because it moves by moving those pieces does not mean it'll help you solve it. By pushing these two pieces here, it allows you to push the sun out on this side of the puzzle box, let the moons go, and the sun will stick in its place. There is a button that you can kind of slightly push here, which pushes this piece out on this side of the puzzle box, but we're not solved there yet. You can either do this in one motion or in two motions. The next step is to push this sun back out ever so slightly and push these moons back out as well and let them go ever so slightly just so that they're sticking out just a little bit, and it allows you to push the sun out on this side of the box. Once all these pieces are locked in place without you pushing on them, you can now push on this button, which pops out the piece on this side of the puzzle box, which allows you now to open up the puzzle box. This is the compartment that you get inside. Take any piece of paper or money and roll it up and hide it in your puzzle box. Push this piece back inside and lock it up and pass it on to somebody else. To get the pocket box puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.